Hey folks, Adam here, and I am testing out my SofaBaton. This is a universal remote that blows the competition out of the water. Now, a nice thing about it is you can scroll through, you can connect it to your music, your gaming world, and of course your TV. We have it currently controlling my Amazon Fire Stick, but at a push of a button, I can switch over to another device, like turn on and off my TV, my entertainment center, my music, my gaming system, etc., etc. Now, what's so special about this device? Now, first and foremost, ease of installation. That's very important to us, and it connects with over 500,000 devices. That's right, they've got that big code database, and you can select your particular TV, you can select your particular systems, and this is going to tie in very easily with pretty much everything out there. You got a Samsung TV, it'll take your Samsung TV. You got some Daewoo TV, whatever it may be, this thing is going to tie it in perfectly. Now, a nice thing about it is it does connect with Bluetooth. It connects with Wi-Fi and of course infrared, and it's got a really neat system where the sensors, you've got long cables, you can use the included 3M adhesive, and I haven't permanently put them, but they got a little adhesive right here. So you can kind of put them around the corner to where nobody has a seat that the remote control is out of range for. If I'm sitting way over here, it covers it. If it sits way over here, it covers it. Just a smart design. Now the remote itself is very intuitive. It's got that thumb wheel right there. It's got the select button and the OK. And of course, it's got the up, down, the volume, home, menu, back, everything you've come to expect from a high quality remote, as well as an easy to read screen so you can select your TV, you can select which device you're using. Now, I'm a big fan of this company, and they've gone ahead and put it over 1,050 mAh right there, battery, lithium polymer that recharges with USB-C, the USB-C right there, to where you can go well over a month, probably a couple months without ever having to charge it, and that matters to me. I like that, and I use a lot of TV. We're always on social media, we're always on the tube sites, we're checking out what other creators are creating, and it's nice to have something that controls all of my devices. That includes your Fire Sticks, your Apple TV, your, say you got Spectrum, Frontier, whatever cable company you have, it's gonna control their device as well, which is really nice. Now, one of the other features that this device has is if you lose it, you can go into the app and it can beep and tell you where the remote is. So you never have to worry about losing the remote in the couch seats again. And you know what? This is a sturdy remote. This thing is powerful and it's the right size, not some miniature remote that some people are having people use nowadays. Look, the Fire Stick, I love Fire Stick, but it only controls the Fire Stick. And it's so small, you're gonna lose it in a heartbeat. Now, on top of all of that, well-designed, flat bottom, unlike, again, the Fire Stick that rolls off the couch easy. This has got a flat bottom to it. Good grip, good texture, and I'm a big, big fan. Now, if you're looking for a way to improve your viewing experience, get rid of the 20 remotes that you used to have and switch over to this. On top of all that, this ties into your Echo device. It ties into your Google Assistant, that's right, and you can use, say, your Echo device, you enable the activities, you can use your Echo device to talk to it, yeah, you can use that as the microphone, and you can interact with it as well, so many fun options there, the voice command capable as well. So, let me tell you a little bit more about it, but stick around, we've got the up-close portion of the video coming up next. All right, folks, something else I like about this with the font update, the backlighting on the buttons, but also this will kind of go into a hibernate mode and then wake up with movement. That's just a smart design to save the battery, make sure it lasts, and you're not pressing a button to turn it on and off. It's got that wake when you move it. That's unlike anything that I've seen out in the industry today. Folks, with the one-touch smart button and the home integration, you can do so much with this. You can select activities, and then you can program in movie night. Movie night's gonna do everything you need to set up your movie night. That may be the lights, that may be the audio, that may be turning on the right apps, but this thing is incredible that you can preset one-touch activities, and suddenly you're watching Smokey and the Bandit and the lights are right and the sound is right and your audio's on and it's ready to kick for movie night. Really smart, intuitive buttons, ties into your home apps, ties into your Echo device. This thing couldn't be better. So yeah, folks, I'm talking TV, DVD, streaming, your audio apps, etc., your audio devices. This thing can replace all of those other remotes. You don't need them anymore because you have just one that's intuitive and smart, and that app is second to none. You can control everything you need to control with a simple app, and you can even locate your device, your remote. That means a lot to me. All right, folks, my name is Adam. I'm sure I've only touched on the capabilities here. We're talking hundreds of thousands of devices that this thing can be tied into and control. But if you're looking for something that is second to none, we're talking about SofaBaton, a great company, infrared Bluetooth IR blaster. It's got customized activities, got that really sleek hub sitting right here behind me. I love it, and I think you're gonna love it too. So go ahead, what are you waiting for? Pick one up for yourself, you won't be disappointed, and stick around for our up close portion of the video. All right, folks, are you ready for this? It's the up close portion of the video. Yeah, a great company. It's the X1S. This is a smart remote control that you can use for all sorts of activities, your Fire Stick, your Apple TV, say your Samsung TV, whatever you may have. This is going to control it all and use that really fun app to show you more options. So it's compatible with over 500,000 devices, all in one customized activity. It does include the hub. The mobile app is phenomenal. I can't say enough about how much that mobile app can control with Wi-Fi, and you can do so much with it. You have the IR blaster, the Bluetooth control, as well as your 45 days working time on that battery. Yeah, that is really nice. Really fantastic. And of course, you can get the app in your Apple Store or in your Google Play Store, which makes it very diverse and versatile. All right, so easy setup, just plugs right into your TV. Get the app on your App Store, and it says the X1S supports the use of Amazon Echo device and Google Assistant to turn an activity on or off. You can refer to the guide to watch the tutorials on how to sync with your accounts, your Echo and your Google Assistant. The X1S remote doesn't have a microphone to receive voice commands. You'll need to use your Echo device for that. Very cool. You need to create activities using the SofaBaton app. After syncing the activities, you can use the voice commands. Holy cow. That is a smart way of doing business, of course. You got the global keys like power off all activities, menu, X1S remote screen, etc. The non-global keys, of course, as well. Now, the input interface, USB Type-C. The hub has a 2 amps, so it's not drawing too much electricity. It's going to work with your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 LE, and Bluetooth 3.0. And it has a pretty large infrared range, okay? That remote has a huge 1050 mAh battery. It's lithium polymer, so you don't have to worry about it running out on you anytime soon, and that is important. Now we look at the remote. Oh my goodness, they just do a great job of having a beautiful remote with easy to read language on it. We've got that scroll wheel to select, the up down right there, very nice. That's a nice wheel. That is a nice wheel, it grips good. It feels good in your hand because this is a solid remote. This isn't that junk like Fire Stick gives you. You got your up, down, volume, your play, pause. Everything's in the positions and spots you would expect. Home, menu, back, and your shortcut buttons right there that you can program in. So you can select your device, your activity, etc. And this thing is really an awesome machine. And boy, it is a machine here, folks. Now, the hub is actually quite slender. They've done a great job of making this compact, and they use that piano black finish to accent it like you wouldn't believe. They've just done a great job there. Look at that piano black finish. Isn't that nice? beautiful design, and of course, incredibly, indubitably, all of your connectors right here, including those to extend. You can put those around the corner and get better range on your remotes. Smart stuff right there. And your 110 to USB-A in case you need that. They've included it. All right. So you're going to get the app, create a new activity, and refer to the instruction manual to connect it to your particular device. But yeah, folks, if you're looking for something above and beyond the competition, something better than the rest, well, guess what? This is indeed the best of the best. Get it and you will not be disappointed. All right, folks, very straightforward. We're going to go ahead and set our devices. We've got LCD sleep, the restart, the language button, firmware version, and syncing it into your device. Very smart stuff here. I'm going to set a few activities. We're going to add a couple devices. This thing is fantastic. Can't wait to get started, folks, and you should too. So go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. This thing is incredible.